is Nicky Verd, and I am a digital futurist and an author of a book titled Disrupt Yourself or Be Disrupted. I wrote the book because I really want people to start thinking about how digital transformation is changing the world, or how new technologies are changing the world of work. And so I am here at IMC to speak on bridging the gap between people or between digital marketers and technology. Because so many people are still afraid to experiment with technological tools. So yeah, my work is really to empower them and bridge that gap between them and technology, which is something I'm quite excited about. Yeah. The simplest way that people can do this, number one, is to experiment with the tools. Because if you keep looking at something only from the distance, it kind of seems intimidating. Once you actually try to experiment with it, like, okay, how can I use this? And also on the other hand, people are actually very comfortable with digital tools. It's just that when it comes to applying it or implementing it with their work, they kind of seem like this is some alien kind of thing. For example, we are all on social media. That is a digital tool. We're posting videos, we're posting pictures of ourselves, we're learning all of these things on social media, about social media, we're watching videos on YouTube. But when it actually comes to using the tool to enhance your work, people sort of fall back and feels like, oh, I don't know how to do this. It's just if you can use social media, you can use other tools to enhance your work. One of the big trends happening is that every industry is now a technology industry. It's not just about the big tech people anymore. Every CEO today is a technology CEO. Everybody is a tech person. In the past, technology used to be something for the IT guys, for people within the IT department. In this age and time, if you are not experimenting with technology and using it, you will be left behind. If you still have the mindset that this is for IT guys, you are going to be left behind. So for me, one of the big trends that I see happening across all industries is that technology is infiltrating every industry and forcing everyone to become a technology person, a technology CEO, a technology manager, a technology product development. Everything has to be done around technology. Biggest advice for me is that they should use technology to make their work simpler. That time where marketing was only based on TV advertisement, billboards, newspaper, we're slowly fading out of that era. So you have to learn how to use digital tools, social media, and especially with the power of data today. And so many of us are leaving our footprints on the internet so much that a marketer should actually know what I need before anyone else, if they're using that data effectively. So if any marketer wants to be effective and relevant, they have to learn how to use many of these tools. How do you get the data? How do you interpret the data? How do you make decisions based on data? That is more effective than just throwing them out there on television, hoping it catches someone. Rather design something that works in the digital space, something that goes straight to who you want, because you already know this person has left enough footprint of themselves on the internet, and you're going straight for the kill because you already know what they want.